key.
My shoulder's too big.
We got linen man. Nice linen shirt with a nice matching linen trousers, and then a nice, just a classic Reebok trainer, just to tie the whole outfit together. And then just to top the whole outfit off, hey Dad, could you turn around? Dad, oh look, there's those glasses. Those are very nice. Oh, we got the elf ears. What?
They got a terrapin.
Oh look, there's a terrapin.
You're trying to steal them.
I can't see the terrapin.
Oh, you can't see it really in real life.
I can see it in real life, thank you very much. I have got eyes. Anyway. That's not being very exciting. Mum, do you realise your buttons are not done up? I repeat, you're falling out to your dress. And your shoulders are too big, you can't do your dress up anymore. You're not eating dinner for a week. Are you listening to me, Mum? Your dress is not done up. Hey.
You're funny.
Mum, what shoes are you wearing there? Come on, Mum, give us an OOTD. Woman. Oh, fucking hell, Laura, what's an OOTD? Okay, go, Laura. You got my glasses on, lovely. The swatchy bag that I got in red, that you copied me. Some old flat, what they call Jet Wheels flip-flops, which were mine. Oh God, Dad's going to help Mum get dressed now. What's it like being a 42-year-old woman who can't get dressed? Yeah, cool. No one asked what your age was.
Should I do it?
Do what?
I can't do it. That's why I didn't bother. Terrapin.
Han, it's the same terrapin.
It's the same one.
Well, I can't see the head bobbing up and down. What?
Say ice cream, ice cream.
Tee.
Big one in the middle.
And we have some geckos. It's not that scary when they don't move, but they move fucking fast. So I'm going to get out of here. Yes? What? You never know what's going to happen. Yes, imagine. Okay, I'm going to turn this off now, so say bye. Yeah. Yes. Okay, no worries. Right guys, so we are now off to shopping, as per. That's what we fucking do in America. Thank you. Carpool karaoke together. That was fun.
I'm gonna sit on this table of photos.